Just a quick video showing off a really cool work light. This is called the Goose-Grip swivel stick work light. 12 inches long, 1300 lumens, all stainless steel and aluminum. Really cool swivel down here. 112 pounds of pull force. This is a corded light. There's no battery in it. That allows the light to be really stealthy and thin. So I just put a starter in this Silverado. Like, you could just attach that to like anything. There, it's attached to the oil pan, and the battery is right here. I actually have a 3D printed battery housing that can accept a Milwaukee battery or a DeWalt battery. Snap-on will be available soon because I've sold a ton of these, and everybody, so many of the dealer mechanics want Snap-on 14.4, so that's coming soon. But here's the tranny pan. So attached it to a tranny pan. That ain't gonna fall no matter what. And then turn it on. There's a rocker switch there, and here's your light. And now you've got this really cool light that can swivel any which way you want, 360 degrees, like a ballerina and like an airplane propeller. And because of the long reach, it can be mounted far away from what you need to see, and it can go in between things like other flip lights, switchblade flip lights, and headlights. Headlights are okay. I never could like them. 40 years I'm doing this. I get a headache, I get itchy. But some of you guys like them because they're cheap. I'm way beyond like cheap. I want convenience. And right now, in my opinion, for everything that exists out there for work lights, there ain't nothing like Goose-Grip. Nobody has manufactured a light that has articulation like this. Nobody. I don't care what brand it is. And I made this for me. This needed to exist. I know what I can do with this light, and I know what all the other lights cannot do, because I have them all. Anyway, this is the Goose-Grip swivel stick, and that is the remote battery housing. The two things come together. They have a lifetime warranty on them, with like a $20 copay if something has to be replaced, but really nothing breaks on it. Lifetime warranty, few minor conditions, nothing bad, no surprises, but really bright, and you're gonna like it. There's no other light in the world like this. And go to goosegrip.com, look for the swivel stick work light, Goose-Grip, and please buy it. It's $159. Yeah. This thing cost me about $100 to make, a little under $100 in raw materials. So don't even say a word, okay? Maybe when I build thousands of them at a time, I can get the price down. Everything here is custom made just for me. There's nothing off the shelf. Nothing is off the shelf except for those 4 magnets. That's off the shelf. And of course, I didn't design the lithium-ion battery. But everything else is custom made. And that magnet is off the shelf over there. It's got 112 pounds of pull force. It ain't never going to fall off. You can put that on the head of a 10mm bolt. You'll almost need 2 hands to remove it. Anyway, if it ain't for you, don't say a word. Just go away. If you like it, buy it. It's only money, and it makes your job a lot easier. Goose-Grip swivel stick work light. I'm out.